Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys lava phone guys erase old data setting. Friends, you want to erase old data on your lava mobile. Friends, you want to factory reset your lava mobile. How to factory reset and how to erase old data. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have any problem on your device and that's why you will have to erase old data. So how to erase old data. Friends, click here phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. So friends, click here lava mobile system setting. After on system setting, friends, you can use your system update setting, date and time. Friends, you want to set up on your device, you can set up from here. You can change language. Friends, you want to change your phone language. So friends, click here and you can change your phone language from here. Friends, you can see reset option. Friends, click here reset option, and friends you can see reset option. Network setting. Friends, you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting, mobile network setting, Bluetooth setting. Friends, click here reset network setting and you can reset. Friends, click here last option, erase all data, factory reset. Friends, you want to erase all data, you want to factory reset your lava mobile, so you can factory reset. And friends, you can see this notification. This will erase all data from your lava mobile internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, download apps, music, photos, other user data. Friends, you have any download app, example friends you have Instagram, any game, any app. Friends, example I have Picards app. And friends, your photo, video, audio, download photos, documents, photos guys, everything will delete on your device. So guys, before erase all data, before factory reset guys, first of all guys, you can send your file into any another device. Your photos, video. Friends, you want to send guys, you can send. After send guys, click here factory erase all data setting, and friends you can erase from here. Friends, click here erase all data, tap here. And friends, you want to erase all data on your lava phone device. So guys, you have pattern lock on your device. On your lock screen, friends, you have pattern lock. As you can see, I have pattern lock. So on your device, friends, you have pattern lock, pin lock, name, password lock, any password. Friends, you have enter your device password, and friends you can erase all data on your lava mobile. After draw guys pattern, after enter password guys, data will erase. So friends, I don't want to erase, I have pattern lock, but friends I don't want to erase. Friends, you want to erase, you want to factory reset your lava mobile. So go draw your pattern and enter your password and you can factory reset. And guys, after factory reset guys, you can see Google account, system app, download app, music, photos, other user data will delete on lava phone device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.